Okay, just wanted to give you a quick look at this little Truvox VTV E commercial tub vac. I've owned this one now for about 6 months or so, maybe a bit longer. And as far as I'm aware, it's one of the cheapest commercial vacuums on the market. So this is lower down the budget scale in terms of commercial vacs. It retails well under £100. You can pick them up for around 85 to 90, which seems like pretty good value for a commercial machine. So what do you get for your money? Well, it's got a fair few features on it actually. So first things first, onboard tool storage with 2 small tools supplied, crevice tool and dusting brush. Good quality brush. It's the same one supplied on my Kerstar, which was about 3 times the price. Cord storage, easily released, nice simple design. Quick change power cable. If it gets damaged, you don't need to open the machine up. You've got a nice big power button there, and you've got a fairly big working radius as well, with the cable and the hose, which is fairly long. You've got quite a wide working range there. You've also got a slot for your floor tool. So there's a lot of things I like about this little compact Truvox, and there's a few things I don't like. The main thing that really lets it down is this floor tool. This machine is actually supplied with 2 different floor tools, both very similar. They're both the plastic eco types. And Truvox aren't the only ones. I mean, Pneumatic, Victor, Tasky, they're all going the same way. They keep supplying their machines with these floor tools. Now, I know there's things like cost to take into account these days and EU ratings and stuff like that, but they're just awful. They really are. I've yet to use one that performs well and is pleasant to use, and I question the durability of it as well. I mean, ultimately a plastic floor tool isn't going to last as long as one with a metal base. I've always said that a suction cleaner is only as good as its tools. Now, if it's let down by the tools, it's going to let the cleaner down, and that's a real shame, because a lot of cleaners are actually very good and they're being let down by these horrible floor tools. So to all the big manufacturers, if you're listening, just stop. Just put a box standard metal base floor tool on that does the job. These ones are awful. So anyway, onto the machine. I'm going to put it through its the normal tests, not scientific. I'm just going to use it in one of my dirtier premises that I'm doing today, and we'll see how it copes. Okay, so summing up, I really like the Truvox. I think it's a great little machine for the price with some really fantastic features. The only thing that really lets it down is that floor tool and maybe the wand. It's a little bit flimsy and cheap feeling, but then again, for the price you can't really grumble at that. Some of the things I liked about the Truvox were the excellent filtration, the onboard tool storage, and the fact it only weighs 6 kilograms. It makes it really lightweight and manoeuvrable. So I recommend the Truvox for smaller sites, light commercial work, and sites with lots of stairs. Overall, it's a great little machine, and like I say, for that kind of price, you can't go wrong really. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.